My colleague Nazir is now joining us on the broadcast here, getting us more on this. Nazir, what more details do we know about, do we have about this encounter in Srinagar's Slit Pass?
Well, it is a joint operation which has been launched by the Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and the CRPF. It is in the upper reaches of Harvan, in the outskirts of Srinagar. This is the Zabarwan Mountains, and this operation has been actually going on for some time. But this morning contact has been established, and there was a gun battle. Sources are saying there possibility 2 terrorists may have been killed, but it is too early to say it unless they recover the bodies. And also then there would be investigation since this mountain reached from Srinagar right up to Pahalgam. And there are also speculation if at all they have been able to track down the terrorists, if they are the same ones who were involved in the Pahalgam incident. But this is too early. So will be waiting for the official confirmation. Number one, if anyone has been killed so far. There are reports, sources are telling in possibility 2 may have been killed in the encounter, yet very word of caution, unless they recover the body and see it, and police officially confirms it, army officials confirm it. Let's not speculate. I'm just saying what sources are talking about. And since we know after Pahalgam incident, this would be the first major encounter in the jungles of Kashmir, and that too near Srinagar. This is the area where often security forces are receiving information that militants are operating. And this is now the question, if they are same terrorists who were involved in Pahalgam terror attack. So it would be after more than 3 months that they would be finally able to track them down. But again, a word of caution, it is too early to say it. We'll wait for the official confirmation. But an encounter erupted this morning after weeks of operation in the same area by the police, CRPF, and the army.
Right. For the benefit of our viewers, Nazir, help us understand how many terrorists could be hiding in the area. You're saying 2 could have been killed. What more do we know?
Well, as I said, these are sources are telling us that there was a gunfight this morning. 2 may have been killed, but they are again saying since bodies have not recovered, and another may have been injured also. Again, as I said, since the sources, they are just not willing to be quoted. So we're also playing safe. Let's wait for the official confirmation. What exactly is the situation? But one thing officials are telling us, confirming us, this morning there was a gun battle. This is an operation which has been going on for last few weeks in the same area. It is a jungle area. This is a mountain track which reached right up to Pahalgam. It is a long track. But since you have seen over the last 4-5 years, Pakistan-backed terrorists have been operating in jungle areas. They appear to be well-trained in jungle warfare and have been involved in many attacks on the innocent civilians and the army.
All right.
From Poonch Rajouri to Kutwa, and then we know Pahalgam also.
Right.
So there's possibility they may be, but no certain word from any official so far. We'll be waiting for
the Nazir, I'll just come back to you. My colleague Shiv Arur also now joining us live on the broadcast. Shiv, what more details do we have about this Operation Mahadev?
No confirmation yet, but there is buzz that these are high-value terrorists who have been tracked by the security forces for the last 3 months. Whether or not the Pahalgam terrorists themselves have been encountered in this operation is not clear just as yet. We're waiting for a confirmation on that. Operation Mahadev is what it's called. We can confirm here on NDTV that the Army, Special Forces, the J&K Police, SOG and the CRPF have all been involved in this particular Operation Mahadev in the Dachigam area between Srinagar and southeast in that range towards Pahalgam. Remember, we've been reporting throughout since the Pahalgam terror attack that the many escape routes in those mountains of Anantnag had afforded many hiding places for terrorists and overground workers who had helped the terrorists actually situate themselves and stay over there, making the tracking and hunting down of those terrorists especially difficult. Now, we obviously will not jump the gun, but we are hearing from our stringers on the ground as well that these could be high-value terrorists. That's as far as we will responsibly go here on NDTV. There are reports coming in that there may be a link to the Pahalgam attack, the possibility of maybe, some of these terrorists being either directly or indirectly linked to the Pahalgam terror attack. But let me categorically say there is no official confirmation on that just yet. We are awaiting information from both the J&K police as well as the army, which will hopefully put out a statement very shortly from now. The 15 Corps headquarters did put out a social media post calling this Operation Mahadev. That's a very significant and telling name as well, remember. So we'll have to wait and see.
All right. What we are also learning at the moment, and this is through sources, of course, Shiv, that my colleague Nazir also has been informing us that 2 terrorists could have been neutralized so far, but there is no confirmation yet on that, and there could be many more who could have been trapped around that area.
That is correct. This is an extremely mountainous, forested area between Srinagar and Pahalgam, the Dachigam area of Anantnag, and this particular hill tract is a place where combing operations have been taking place literally since the terror attack actually happened on the 22nd of April. Now. What precise location this is, whether there were high-value terrorists, whether there is more than one encounter being spoken of is very unclear, and we don't want to conjecture on the specific operational details because remember, moments after an encounter like this breaks out, there are still operational sensitivities in terms of whether some terrorists may have gotten away, who these terrorists are, where they are, what the hiding places are, were they armed, was it a crossfire, was there an encounter? Are there any injuries on the Indian side? All of these are factors that need to be taken into account when we, report these encounters live. But we are being able to confirm from our sources on the ground that 3 terrorists have been eliminated. 3 terrorists have been killed in this particular encounter that is being called Operation Mahadev by the Indian Army's 15 Corps, the Chinar Corps in Srinagar. It happened in a mountain tract somewhere between Srinagar and Pahalgam. That's a 2.5-hour drive between the towns. So we'll have to wait for more information. We are hoping, remember, that there will be a confirmation on the more sensitive aspects of it, whether there's a direct link to the Pahalgam terror attack in a very short while from now, as we await the big Operation Sindoor debate in Parliament as well.
All right. Well, also, Shiv, one question that I want to ask you here is that, the army has launched this operation in Srinagar's Lidbat and has named it Operation Mahadev. And as we've been talking about it earlier, what does this suggest? What does the name suggest and how significant could it be?
I'm hearing that there is a Mahadev mountain in that area. So it is possible that, that is all it is. That there is a Mahadev mountain, a hill feature in that area where this particular attack, this encounter has broken out. And that could very well be the reason why it is being called Operation Mahadev. That follows nomenclature protocol, which the army uses for encounters. They routinely name encounters after the location where they are happening. So whether the choice of the name Operation Mahadev is to do with that precise location where it has taken place, whether it has some kind of, symbolism, regarding the many people saying Har Har Mahadev on Twitter at this point of time is not known. And once again, we're only reflecting what we're seeing, coming in from our sources, coming in from the security forces. We've got to remember and report very, very responsibly on a situation that continues to be evolving because remember that security forces are still in these operations and therefore reporting sensitive aspects and linking it to something where there is no categorical confirmation yet may endanger our forces. So to the many media who may be doing this right now, I hope they hear that as well. But Operation Mahadev is the name that's being given by the Indian Army to this operation. And we are told, just before I began this answer, I got a message from a friend in the 15 Corps saying there will be another post, maybe 15 to 20 minutes from now, providing an update. So anywhere between 2 and 3 terrorists have definitely been killed in this encounter. High-value terrorists is almost categorically certain. The identities of these terrorists, links to Pahalgam, not certain just yet. We are awaiting a confirmation.